Hey everyone, welcome to LABMIT. We're the maintenance, innovation, and testing team. Today, we're excited to show you our latest project, the installation of a new cooling tower and chiller. This animation video will give you a glimpse into our work and hopefully inspire your fabrication projects. Let's dive in and take a look. This is our chiller. The cooling capacity of the chiller is 266 tons and an impressive COP of 5.98. It's made up of two main parts, the evaporator and the condenser. We've got two horizontal centrifugal pumps hooked up, one on standby and one in running, to keep that cooling water flowing smoothly through the system. Now, we've got two additional horizontal centrifugal pumps linked up to the condenser and cooling tower. Our cooling tower boasts a hefty capacity of 330 tons. Now, let's talk about the pipes connecting the chiller and the cooling tower. We've got a total of 4 pipes here, 2 for the cooling tower loop connected to the condenser, and the other 2 for the evaporator and the working area loop. Here those 2 pumps in the evaporator loop are moving at a flow rate of 175 cubic meters per hour, with a head of 32 meters. Just a quick reminder, the size of the cooling tower, pumps, pipes, and valves are all determined based on the capacity of the chiller. The technical details we've shared in this video are tailored to our specific requirements. Keep in mind that sizes and designs may vary depending on usage and location. Thanks for being with us.